this video, we'll talk about how to get the private chat ID, okay? So in Microsoft Teams, you have a channel, you have a group, you also have a private chat, okay? So it's easy to find the channel ID or group ID, but it's not easy to find the private chat ID. So to find private chat ID, you need to go to the which one you want to chat to, and click the three dot here. It's more option. Then we go to workflows. And here we select forward email to a chat. Okay, so we'll connect to Microsoft Teams and Office Outlook. Okay. So make sure all of these connections are green. Otherwise, you need to sign in again, okay? So we click next. And here, it asks the email address. We just input one character because what we need is this ID number, okay? So we edit it and copy everything here. Then how to use that? Okay, so let me go to Power Automate. Okay, we add, for example, we add action, send chat. Okay. Post message in a chat or a channel, okay? So it asks post as, okay, of course we use user itself. And post in, it only have two options here, channel or group chat, okay? In our case, we select group chat. Even it is a private within one person, okay? It asks the conversation ID. This is the ID we just copied from the previous steps, okay? So we click it, enter custom menu, and then from here, we just paste the information here, okay? Of course, we need some message here, okay? So let's save it. Success, okay? So that's how you get the private chat conversation ID and how to use that in Power Automate, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.